Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add a background image to a view or to a sheet. I'm going to start by going to the Insert tab, clicking Image, find where you have it saved. Okay, so here's the image. To give you some background on it, I went to Google Maps, searched for the bridge that we're working on, took a screenshot of it, and then I cropped the image and used a black and white filter. I did this all outside of Revit in simple photo editing softwares. And now that I've loaded in, I can adjust the size. The best way to do this is really to just mess around with the dimensions. You can move the arrows to see where it fits best. You can have to play around with the sizes until you think it's in a place that's pretty close. And but you get the idea. I'm happy with where it is now, so I'm gonna leave it here. And you see now we have our background image for the bridge. Then I can go to the level 2 sheet and it automatically shows up. I can move this over a little bit so it's centered. And that is how you add a background image to Revit. It's not necessary to add this, it's what your team thinks is best for your project.